At first glance, this looks like a simple Japanese cabover motorhome, but the JP Star Discovery One is more interesting than that. It is compact on the outside, yet inside it gives you 7 seats, sleeping space for 5, a kitchen, shower multi-room, lithium power, solar charging, heating, and air conditioning. So the real question is simple: is this one of the smartest compact motorhomes from Japan, or is it trying to fit too much into one small body? Welcome back to Car Hub. Today, we are taking a practical look at the JP Star Discovery One, a compact Japanese motorhome built for people who want real RV comfort without moving into a large motorhome. The Discovery One is built on the Toyota Camroad, a popular base for Japanese motorhomes. Officially, it measures 4,990 millimeters long, 2,000 millimeters wide, and 2,800 millimeters tall. That means about 16.4 feet long, 6.6 feet wide, and 9.2 feet tall. That size is the main story. Many RVs become bigger to add comfort. The Discovery One takes a different path. It stays compact, but uses smart packaging to create a proper living space. The listed price in Japan is 9.2 million yen, including tax. For buyers outside Japan, that is only the starting point, because shipping, import rules, taxes, registration, and service support would all need to be checked. But in its home market, this is clearly a premium compact motorhome, not a basic weekend camper. Under the body, it uses a 1,988 cubic centimeters gasoline engine with two-wheel drive. This is not a performance RV. Its purpose is simple: comfortable travel, easier parking, and practical road trip living in a smaller footprint. From the outside, the Discovery One has a clean cabover shape. The bed area above the cab adds usable space without making the vehicle longer. The body is tall and boxy, but not oversized, and the large windows help make the cabin feel brighter inside. You also get a side awning and an exterior shower, which makes outdoor camping more practical. Step inside, and the Discovery One starts to make more sense. The rear entry layout gives the interior a more open feeling. The lounge uses bench-style seating around a table, and this one area can work as a dining space, work area, family room, and sleeping zone. That flexibility is important. In a compact motorhome, every inch has to do more than one job. The Discovery One uses its space carefully, and that is why the interior feels more capable than the exterior size suggests. Officially, it has seating for 7 and sleeping space for 5. That is impressive for a motorhome only about 16.5 feet long. Sleeping 5 does not mean 5 adults will feel like they are in a large luxury RV. This is still a compact motorhome. It is best for a couple, a small family, or occasional guests. For 5 people, it becomes more about practicality than luxury. The kitchen is compact, but useful. You get a sink, microwave, hot water system, and a 108-liter refrigerator. That is about 3.8 cubic feet. It is not huge, but for a small motorhome, it gives enough room for drinks, groceries, and road trip meals. This is what separates a real motorhome from a simple camper. You can store food, heat meals, wash up, and stay more independent while traveling. This camper is built to be used, not just parked and photographed. One of the biggest highlights is the shower-equipped multi-room. In Japanese campers, a multi-room can work as a shower area, changing room, toilet space, or storage area. The Discovery One includes a shower multi-room with a max fan, hot water, and an exterior shower. That is a serious advantage in a compact RV. For family trips, beach days, or longer travel, having a private wash space can make the whole experience much easier. Of course, this is not a large residential bathroom. It will be compact, but in a motorhome this short, having a proper shower-capable space is a major win. Now let's talk about power, because this is one of the strongest parts of the Discovery One. Standard equipment includes a 400 ampere-hour lithium battery, a 3,000-watt inverter, an EcoFlow power kit, 400-watt Renogy solar panels, rapid charging, and a 48 volts power system. That is a serious electrical setup for a compact motorhome. It helps run the refrigerator, lights, microwave, TV, fans, device charging, and climate control, giving you more confidence away from hookups. Climate control is also strong. The Discovery One includes a Mitsubishi home-style air conditioner and an Eberspacher FF heater. That means cooling for hot weather and proper heating for colder nights. JP Star also includes useful driving features like front and rear stabilizers, an around view monitor, backup camera, drive recorder, heated power folding mirrors, and a keyless linked entrance door. These features matter in real life. A motorhome is taller and wider than a normal car. Parking, reversing, and visibility all become more important. Cameras and stabilizers help make the vehicle easier to manage. So who is the Discovery One really for? It is for people who want a real motorhome, but do not want the size, parking stress, or fuel penalty of a large RV. It makes sense for couples who want more comfort than a van. It also works for small families who need seatbelts, beds, kitchen function, and a private wash area. This camper shows a different way of thinking. Some motorhomes solve problems by becoming bigger. The Discovery One solves them by becoming smarter. Of course, it is not perfect. The engine is not made for fast driving. The bathroom is useful but small. Sleeping 5 is possible, but fewer people will always be more comfortable. Storage must be used carefully. And outside Japan, buyers would need to think about import rules, parts availability, registration, and service support. But as a compact motorhome design, the Discovery One is very impressive. The honest conclusion is simple. The JP Star. Discovery One makes you rethink what a small motorhome can be. It is only about 16.5 feet long, yet it offers 7 seats, sleeping for 5, a kitchen, shower multi-room, lithium power, solar charging, air conditioning, heating, large windows, and a flexible lounge. It is not the biggest motorhome, it is not the most powerful, and it is not trying to copy a full-size RV. Instead, it focuses on usable comfort, clever packaging, and freedom in a compact body. For city parking, narrow roads, weekend travel, small family touring, and efficient camping, the Discovery One makes a very strong argument. It is compact on the outside, it is built like a serious little travel home, and that is what makes it special. If you enjoyed this tour, hit the like button, subscribe to Car Hub, and tell us in the comments. Would you choose a smart compact motorhome like the JP Star Discovery One, or would you prefer a larger RV?